Welcome to Nugget Connect 2023.
So last year I thought Nugget Connect was all about the Nugget van, when it turns out it's really all about the people.
From Stourbridge in the West Midlands.
Staffordshire.
Devon. Warwickshire.
Burnham.
South East Essex.
Coventry.
North Yorkshire.
Near Glasgow.
Colchester.
St Helens.
Bristol.
South Gloucestershire.
Buckinghamshire.
Kent.
Thornbury.
Poole in Dorset.
We've had a fabulous welcome here at Elm Cottage Touring Park. Amazing facilities, a lovely little site, one you really need to visit if you're in this area. Let's have a look around.
Why did you buy a Ford Nugget?
Because I like chicken nuggets.
Well, the reason we bought our Nugget is we like the layout of it. Separate kitchen, separate eating area, and then when the bed's down on top, a separate sleeping area, and it suits us down to the ground. The van turns in a sixpence, which is really good when you're manoeuvring in tight spaces, so it can be used as a car. So it ticked all our boxes.
The reason we bought our Nugget, we looked at other vans of similar size and shape that were out there, and they just did not fit our requirements. We found the Ford Nugget and it had everything that we wanted. We are very happy with it.
We bought our Nugget because I'm planning to retire. Last year I was planning it, this year it's a reality. In a couple of weeks' time I'm packing up work. So we've got the Nugget, we've got lots of trips booked, and really looking forward to a long and happy retirement.
So we bought a Nugget because we hired a T6 first and we hated it. The Nugget is much more functional for families with the kitchen at the back. You have much more space inside with the way that it's set out for you. However, since then we have sold our Nugget and we are at Nugget Connect this weekend in our crafter. So we're the Nugget fraudsters. Basically we just needed a bit more space. We needed something bigger. Didn't mean we didn't love our Nugget though.
For adventures and just for comfiness, like in the back, the kitchen, the beds, the sofa, like adventures really.
I bought a Ford Nugget because of the walk-through aspect and also the fact it had 5 seats, very useful for taking other members of the family, the grandchildren, etc., out for the day for a picnic.
So the reason we bought our Nugget was because of the kitchen layout at the back. So it meant that I could be in the kitchen, you know, cooking, the kids can be in the front of the van being entertained, and it's kind of a separate space.
Oh, I've got to twitch my eye all down.
Catherine, we've just had so many people do it without a problem. You're nothing but trouble.
Right, let's go.
Come on then, professional, let's have it.
One word answer of why we bought the Nugget: layout.
Adventure with Alfie! We're at Nugget Connect. We're ready to go on an adventure with Alfie. First, look at the door.
So why did you buy a Ford Nugget?
Well, the reason was we had gone and looked at lots of vans. We were concerned about the size of beds. We were concerned about having a kitchen that made the vans feel very small. So as soon as we saw the Nugget, we loved it. The Nugget had separate kitchen, big double beds that were certainly was suitable for us, and my husband's over 6 foot tall, and the other bed is a good size, and they've got the opportunity to put on an awning, to put on a separate tent if you're taking friends and family with you.
I bought a Nugget because my wife told me to.
Well, we looked at some of the other brands, like the, you know, if we're mentioning like the VW and the Marco Polo, and we just thought the Nugget was just that little bit different, that little bit niche. We love the fact that the kind of kitchen area is on the back and access through the high roof. And my wife wanted that particular colour grey, and that was the main thing. So it's a grey one. Let's do it. That's why we ordered it.
Quite simply, really, because my husband told me that we were having one.
We wanted to downsize. We had a small motorhome, but we moved house and we wanted to have a van that we could use as a day van and as a going away weekend, week away van. And the Nugget seemed to tick all the boxes. Had a toilet. We've never used the shower. People say it's got the shower that you can use out the back, but we've never actually used that. But yeah, it makes a good day van, a good week away van, and a good van for a few nights away.
I think the reason we like the Nugget so much is because the layout. That's one of the reasons. For me, it's a Ford as well. I like the drivability of Ford. So, and Annabelle really liked it, didn't you? You liked the look of it.
We love the layout. We wanted the kitchen in the back. It means my husband John can go in the back and cook my dinner, and I can just sit and read my book while he's doing it.
Bought the Ford Nugget because we needed a daily car, but we really wanted to get into the sort of the camping life, and it suits our our needs perfectly. It's a great size. It does everything we need. It's perfect for us, the 2 kids. Love it.
The main reason was to spend some long weekends with the kids before they were too big to want to spend any time with me. So that was the main reason, while the kids were still young enough to make the most of the long weekends.
Well, we were looking for the perfect camper van under 6 metres, and we did try the VW California. We were lucky enough to get one during lockdown we had it for 22 months or so, but it just didn't tick all the boxes. We wanted hot and cold water, we wanted a bit more length and long wheelbase. So we were very lucky to come across a Nugget for sale, which we were invited to view in November last year, and found what we think's absolutely perfect. It's a great design, very smart vehicle, good Ford chassis, 185 brake horsepower, although the newer ones are 150. Ample power. We've just taken it on a road trip to Europe, through France and Spain. 3,000 miles covered, no problems. Absolutely fantastic.
Anyone speak Welsh? No? No? That's fine. So hopefully you'll all learn something new today. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Testing, 1, 2, 1, 2. And action.
Okay, Nugget Connect, what's it meant to me this weekend? Absolutely bloody brilliant. 3 words, there you go.
Meeting old and new friends each year. It's a bit more than 3 words.
Fun, adventurous and friendly.
Nugget, pure gold.
Great fun, absolutely priceless, and a big well done to the 4 of you. You're absolutely superb. Thank you.
Community, fun and knowledge. Meeting others with like minds and companionship and fun.
Nugget Connect, meeting people, travelling and using our new camper van.
The quiz, talking to people and sleeping.
New for us. First time we've been, Nugget's new. The whole experience is new to us, so we're really enjoying finding out how you do everything, you know, talking to people, and that's, do you want the second word?
Yep.
Yeah, so the second word I think would be meeting. So, you know, we've met a lot of people here, you know, they've got nuggets, and it's a thing that kind of connects you together. You've got something to talk about. You've got commonality, and you know, they're all just nice people like us, you know.
Showing, sharing and community.
Fun, relaxing and welcoming.
I would say Nugget Connect has been friendly, sociable and fun.
Fun, enjoyed and having a whale of a time.
Nugget Connect is a great way of not only meeting new people, but getting to know your van a bit better, particularly if you're a first-time buyer.
Fun, camaraderie and a bit of learning stuff about the vehicle, really.
Nuggingly fantastic weekend.
Pyjamas all day.
It's really all about the people.